Do you like your new bed? Are you gonna go night-night? You want me to cover you up? Okay, let's cover you up. Okay, let's cover you up. Cover you up with your blanket, okay. Okay. Night-night. Lights. Okay, you want the lights off? Okay. Night-night. Oh, you need Bunny? And your sheep, okay. Night-night. Are you cozy? Sleepy. Oh yeah, there's a sheep on the mattress, isn't there? Ava is enjoying her new bed. Just playing on it. She's probably not going to enjoy it to sleep on yet, but... Okay, night-night.